Okay, so now we are back to our map, and I'm going to add in the Excel comma separated value file. Layers, add delimited text layer. You browse for where the file is at, and that's under data. And notice, since you're already browsing for delimited text, it finds the one that you're looking for with the icon. And you say open. Now, when you open it, make sure your file format is CSV, and you have to now give the latitude and longitude. The X field, which is the horizontal, is the longitude, and the vertical field, the Y field, is the latitude. And it should bring everything in at its proper place. And you say OK. And it's also going to pick up the recently used coordinate reference system, and it says to specify. So you click on the one you want, which is what we chose at the beginning, and which is what the map is already set to, 2263. So hopefully the latitude and longitude reference points will align with what the map has already. And again, it's New York, Long Island in feet. And then you say OK. And then it comes in as a dot again. The colors that QGIS assigns is arbitrary, but let's close off everything, and hopefully the dots show up. And they do not. So when they do not show up, first you zoom out to where they're at. The second thing you do is change the color so it's more visible. So let's change the style. Instead of green, let's make it the red, which is actually 243 tab 0 tab 0, and say OK, apply. So you see so those are the dots, and they're still not aligned, but let's look at the dots and the map at the same time at the full zoom. So the dots are over here and the map is over here. So that means that they are not in the same area. So here we are going to go back to properties. If you get this error, and where do I go to fix it? General, coordinate reference system. So I am now going to go to, let's see, just to make sure that one. Scroll up. It takes a while. Okay, right now it's under the geographic coordinate system. So I'm going to X that out and scroll down. I don't want Albers. I have to do this all the way. Let's see if I can make this a little bit bigger. Okay. I want Lambert conformal, but let me truncate the others. Cassini, Eckert, Eckert 2, Eckert 3, Eckert 4, Eckert 5. Okay. Lambert conformal. Not 83, I've passed New York. New York, Long Island. Here we go. Say OK. Scale dependent visibility. Apply. Say OK. So that didn't work. And then the next thing to do, properties, and specify. Go to the 84, say OK, apply. Yeah, it's the 84 is where it's positioned on the Earth. Okay, so it's two things you have to keep track of. So now we're in the right spot, I think. And I do not think so. That's the workshop. 127th was 120th. So that's North Harlem. Let's try it different. That is not North Harlem. That's in the Bronx. Where is this supposed to be? East 17th Street. So, let's see. East 17th Street and the zip code is not there. Oh, 100. East 17th Street is 103. Cancel. And if you select the surrounding area, the surrounding feature rather. Oh, let's zip code. You pick that area and you go to action. And that's your zip code 103. Okay, so that one worked out. And then let's minimize a bit. This is the hand tool to just gradually move the map where you want it to be. And let's see. Identify feature. This zip code is 10474. And if I go into the workshops, and I click on the same feature, workshop, actions, 634 Miranda Street, 10474. Okay, so what is this one again? West 120th Street, New York, New York. That doesn't look great. So I'm going to cancel that out. And I'm going to open up the attribute table. And let's see. Which one was that? 127 West 20th NA Harlem. So now we're going to go back and verify the lat long. So, Internet Explorer. Go to another website, mygeoposition.com, and then open up the original file. Oh, that's the text file. Don't want that one. No. File, open, desktop, today's date, data, and I want the spring workshop. Let's get details so I know which one I'm opening up. NA. So copy. Paste. And calculate geodata. Okay, when you do it like this, you end up where you're supposed to. So I'm going to copy this information, the XY coordinates, and paste it Get rid of this one. Sometimes you have to make edits as you go along, and you save. So while this is open and I've saved it, I'm going to go back to my map, and I'm going to remove the workshops because it's not valid anymore. Yes. Okay. So now I'm going to the Excel file. Since it's removed, it's not connected, and I'm going to save, double check, and then save as, and change this to comma delimited. Save. Yes, I want to replace. Do you want to keep this right? Yes. And then you come here, close out. Do you want to save changes? No, you've already saved it one time. Layer, add the limited text layer, browse. This is the latest one, 414. Open. The X and Y fill is already there, and the updated information should be correct now. And you have your CSV. So you say OK. We change the world geographic to the world geographic 84. Say OK. Change the color in the properties. Style, color. This is 243 tab 00. Say OK. Apply. And your dots are now on your map where they're supposed to be. And if you check a dot, go to Actions, click on this window. So now 127th Street, West 27th Street is in zip code 10027. Sometimes a mistake is made and you have to verify with what you already know. So I know Manhattan is not over here somewhere, it's over here. And then if you highlight the zip code tabulation area and you click on that section, then you get the same corresponding zip code. Thank you for working with me on that. So I'm going to save.